Alright, today is Saturday, but this time we're gonna make this out of these with those chicken nuggets. Believe me, it's gonna be good. Okay, first off, you need to use these frozen chicken nuggets for something besides just for a microwave later. Then you need to do this. Hang on a second. Oh, this is not that bad. I don't know if it tastes great, but I'm trying to find out. Oh. Next you put these. There we go. Third, you're going to open the can. That can. I wonder where the can opener is. Hang on. Yeah. Pretty neat. I don't know how to open this. Maybe like this. Yeah. It's gonna take a hard time to do this, but no need to be picky. See, it's easy. Got it. The fourth, pour it in there. Oh, it's gonna taste great. Dip it all in. Just dip it all in there. Dip it all. Dip it all. Dip it all. Dip it all. That'll be good enough. Third. Alright, fifth. Fifth, use this. It might help. Just mix it all in there. Mix all the veggies. Mix all the salad. Pretty good, really. Pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah, that should be enough. Oh. Just a little bit of water. No lot. Alright. Then microwave this. 1 minute and 20 seconds. It's gonna take some time. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yep. Done. And it's hot. Besides, I can endure this very well. I can't. Next, these. Put on for 140 minutes. If they'll survive. Switchy, you doing good? 57%. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Just a little bit of salt. Yeah. Yeah. The hand. There we go. It's done now. We're in my room, and here are the results. Chicken nuggets plus vegan soup equals. What should I call it? Salad soup. Like this. Salad soup, chicken nugget style. With chicken nuggets on it. It's really another hesitation. Alright, let's eat. Let's try it. Very good. So good. Real good. This is so delicious. Really delicious. Alright, next, this one. Let's see if it tastes good. It does! Really does. Nothing beats like a good dinner of the vegetables and meat together. Well, carnivore and herbivore might combine. Yeah, that might help. Yeah. Oh, if you're wondering why I talked to Switchy. This is Sora. Sora right here. I got to Elite Smash. Because of my skills. Because of my skills. Because of my intelligence. Because of my smartness. I'm not very smart. Minus that. Trying to be readable. I don't know how many fingers I'm counting. That's so stupid. Why? Unacceptable. Anyway, you might not know me about Elite. You might not know me about me and Sora, but we are gonna be the next legend in 2024 or not. It's gonna be stupid anyway. But it's gonna be great. I'm gonna have so many adventures today. Really, so many adventures. You'll see what I'm talking about. All right, time to taste the soup. I wonder how it tastes. I wonder how it tastes really. Tastes great. Yeah. That is so delicious. Anyway, that's all. That's all I have to do. That's all I have to tell you guys today. Besides, I'm really tired. I'm really tired today. Besides, I'm too. I forgot what that was. But check out for more. on Instagram, on my Twitter, on my Fresh Cut, on my Facebook, on my Twitter. You might see it. 5 things. Oh, and on TikTok. And on Twitch too.